Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. I hope you are well now. Okay, student, for this material, you will get the title of cause and effect. Cause and effect. Cause itu sebab, and effect itu akibat. Jadi, materi ini adalah mempelajari tentang sebab dan akibat. Sebab dan akibat. Cause and effect in this matter is very nice for our life, for our in everyday. Writing about cause and effect. Penulisan tentang sebab dan akibat. Cause and effect. What is cause? Apa itu sebab? It is what makes something happen. Example, the floor was wet. And then, what is an effect? It is what happens. Example, so I slip and fell. Nah, itu adalah suatu materi yang mengemukakan, yang menyatakan antara sebab dan akibat. Next, writing tips. Jadi tips untuk menulis, ya, tips untuk menulis sebab dan akibat. Look for words such as since, so, because, therefore, due to, the fact, to, join, cause, and effect sentence. Since, sejak, so, tuh juga, maka, because, karena, therefore, maka dari itu, due to the facts. Use cause and effect in paragraphs to explain how things work or how something happen, atau sesuatu yang terjadi. Two things have to happen in cause and effect sentence. Jadi ada dua yang harus diperhatikan dalam penggunaan cause and effect sentence. Penggunaan sebab dan akibat. A cause is what makes something happen. Jadi sebab itu adalah yang membuat sesuatu itu terjadi. An effect dan akibat is what happens as a result of the cause. Jadi akibat adalah sesuatu apa yang terjadi dari hasil penyebabnya. Look at the picture below. Ya. What is the cause? What will be the effect? Sebabnya apa dan akibatnya apa dari gambar tersebut? You must analyze this picture. Silakan menganalisa. Pelajari. The needle. The balloon will pop like that. Look at the picture below. Silakan lihat gambar di bawah ini. Match the cause with the effect. Cocokkan, ya, penyebab dengan akibatnya. Cause. There are two pictures, cause and effect. There are two pictures too. Nah, like that. Look at the picture. Like that again. Nice. Great job. Next, remember this tip. Ingat tips ini. The cause happens first. Ask yourself what had to happen first. The effect happens second. Ask yourself what happened last. Nah, harus dibandingkan antara cause sebab terjadi pada pertama kali and the effect terjadi pada kedua kali atau penyebabnya, akibatnya. Ask yourself, tanyakan pada dirimu sendiri. Also, C before E in the alphabet, cause before effect, sama saja dengan huruf alfabet. Look for clue words because, since, so, on account of, due to, the fact. Certain words join cause and effect sentence. I bought a present because it was his birthday. Ya, saya membeli sebuah hadiah karena ini adalah hari ulang tahunnya. What is the cause? Apa penyebabnya? It was Dan's birthday, yaitu penyebabnya adalah ulang tahunnya Dani. And then akibatnya, I bought him present. Saya membelikannya sebuah hadiah atau kado. What is the word that join the cause and effect? Because. Intinya adalah karena, menyatakan suatu sebab dan akibat. Next, what other word helps to join cause and effect sentence? Jadi, apakah ada kata-kata lain untuk memberikan sesuatu kepada kata sebab dan akibat atau kalimat sebab dan akibat? The ice cream was melting as a result of the hot weather. Melting itu meleleh. Es krim itu meleleh sebagai akibat dari cuaca yang panas. What is the cause? The hot weather. Jadi penyebabnya adalah karena cuacanya panas sehingga es krim itu meleleh. What is effect? Akibatnya, the ice cream meleleh. Akibatnya meleleh es krim tersebut. What is joining clue words? Clue words, kata clue, itu adalah as a result of, sebagai hasil. Result itu adalah hasil. Jadi there is between cause and effect, ada sebab dan akibat. Which word join the cause and effect part of sentences? I told Ellen to come home because it was time for dinner. The school was closed yesterday on account of the stormy weather. Sarah could not go to the party due to the fact that she was sick. Then I saved $10 as the result of putting $1 in my bank every week. Yes, you must do yourself. Exercise. The next, on a piece of paper, write, tulislah a cause and effect, sebab dan akibat akhirnya, for each sentence says below, untuk setiap kalimat di bawah ini. Jadi kalian menulis, use the words that join them. Gunakan kata-kata ini untuk melengkapinya. Because, since, on account of, due to the fact. You must use that words. Kamu harus menggunakan kata-kata itu. Number 1, I hate to wear boots to school, blah blah blah. Number 2, I like you, blah blah blah. Number 3, Alan hate to stay after school, blah blah blah. 4, we are having a party, blah blah blah. Okay, for this material, I think enough. Today, thank you very much for attention, and you have to learn about this material. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.